My name is Josh Slusher, and today I will be doing a body language analysis of New York Governor Andrew Cuomo's video apology of allegations of sexual harassment and calls from some to resign. Right at the beginning, the first thing you'll see is him assume a protective gesture by using his right hand to cover his left hand. Since his left hand represents his emotional side, he is going to hide his emotions at that moment.
I want to address the recent allegations that have been made.
At 17 seconds, you'll see that he presses his lips together, showing contempt and a clear display of his contempt for having to say what he is about to say.
Now the Lord.
At 24 seconds, he shows a condescending gesture with his hand when he says that he already knows that he shouldn't make any statement before the review, and condescending gestures are not something you would expect on an apology video.
It's over. I understand that.
He wets his lips almost every time he says something that he's uncomfortable with saying. At 40 seconds, he tries to do a reassuring gesture with his hand that comes off as dismissive, as if it doesn't really matter that much to him.
I fully support a woman's right to come forward.
For the next few moments, he denies with his head, his voice loses amplitude and starts to break, but his intonation is still the same, so he's not really feeling that way at the moment. He's breaking his voice at that moment to make him seem more convincing.
And I think it should be encouraged in every way. I now understand.
At 1 minute and 27 seconds, right after saying that's the truth, he again presses his lips together, which again says that he is not being sincere at the moment.
Not easy to say, but that.
At 2:07, he starts tilting his head to the left, protecting his emotional side, and for the next few moments he doesn't have anything particular to display, meaning that he was actually telling the truth for those moments because he didn't think he was making anyone feel uncomfortable at the times that he was, but also notice that he uses the word feel. If you say that you feel, you could be implying that it could have been unintentional, but in fact he made someone feel uncomfortable, period, and he uses that word to water down the statement.
That's the truth. But this is what I want you to know, and I want you to know this from me directly. I never touched anyone inappropriately. I never touched anyone inappropriately. I never knew at the time that I was making anyone feel uncomfortable. I never knew at the time I was making anyone feel uncomfortable. And I certainly never, ever meant to offend anyone or hurt anyone or cause anyone any pain. That is the last thing I would ever want to do.
At 2 minutes and 34 seconds, he also shows rapid eye blinking when he talks about the facts, which shows that he is anxious, but throughout the video he has rapid eye blinking, almost 1 blink per second.
Report before forming an opinion. I wasn't elected by politicians. I was elected by the people of the state of New York. I'm not going to resign. I work for the people of the state. From the Attorney General's report before to wait for the facts from the Attorney General's report before forming an opinion.
This is just one of the many interesting apology videos that I looked up. I think it's pretty interesting the way that he reacts to pretty much every video that he's put out. If you have any additional questions, again, my name is Josh Slusher. I thank you for watching.